Today we'll show you how to use like sniping tools in your Windows. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching and follow the steps. Okay, first go to search and like click to sniping like this. This is sniping tool. Okay, just click guys and go now here to get. Okay, now we have this is for screenshot like this. We can get like this and making like only this is a screenshot of our PC. Okay, you will find here it's like it is only screenshot. Okay, and I can save it in our bureau. Okay, okay guys, and here let's like for making a record video. Okay, okay, maybe I want to open like a Google Chrome. Okay, maybe go like this and click this is here and like new here it's like Control N like this, and only I want to just this is a position from here, only this. I want to record only this. Okay guys, just maybe like this, only this I want to recording. Okay, just now click to the next, or I can like mute. This is a voice, and I can like this like mute the audio of our PC. This is for audio of our Windows, and this is for Microsoft. Okay, microphone, sorry guys. Just click now like to the Mirage and only this. Just when I now go or leave its here, it's leave this, it's now I can't recording. Just I will back it, it's now recording. Did you see guys? Okay, just now click to here to this is red and to end the recording. And now did you see guys? Just to click to, did you see? 1 second guys, did you see? Only this, and I will back it here. 1 second, did you see? Just this is sniping tools to screenshot of our Windows 11, and you can use it in Windows 10. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.